Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
First thing you want to do is add your ice to a blender. Then you want to go ahead and scoop up some mango sorbet. Add that to the ice. Add some tequila and triple sec. Then you want to just blend those ingredients together. Give it a good shake if you have to. Get it all emulsified. Just be patient. The longer it blends, the smoother and thicker it gets. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Now you want to just hit the rim of your glass with a fresh cut lime. Shake on some tahini. Something like this will do fine. Now all we gotta do is stripe it with some chamoy. And I'll talk more about these ingredients on the website. Now just add your smoothie. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Now just garnish with a lime, Slurpee straw, or a tamarind if you got it. And there you have it, Mangonada right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.